In this video, we are going to see how you can create drop shadow in photo without a background. So let's get started. Okay, let's practice one more thing. And that is, for example, we only have this image here. If we add a new page and I paste it right here, and this is my full image as we have it before. So I'll set it down. Okay, now this was our image, right? So if I want to drop shadow in this picture only, not the frame, how can we do that? First of all, we need the pro version to get rid of the background. I'll go to edit image and click on the background remover. It will do its work and then we will see the clean photo without the background. I'll click on apply, and this is the photo only where I want to do the drop shadow. So what I'll do is I'll just duplicate this image. I'll make it grayscale and then I'll go to adjust and then upload the same file. Now let's get rid of this image and paste this image right here. Click on edit image and now adjust even further to achieve this gray or black look. Now I need to get rid of this background, so I'll click on edit image and click on background remover tool, and now let's adjust. I'll click on adjust and click on brightness. So this is how you can make it complete black and white. Now let's move this one, just cut this one and paste it right here, and you can adjust it in size so that it exactly fits in. Actually, since it was in the same proportion, you can just fit in the full image and it should match. And then you can move it a little bit up or down to create that drop shadow. And after that, you will send it to backwards. Now, right now it's a hard drop shadow, right? So what I'll do is I'll select this image now and go to adjust and increase the blur, and then you can send it to backwards and it will create a blur effect like this. Afterwards, you can also increase the transparency. If I reduce the transparency, send it to back, now you can see that it looks like a proper drop shadow, right? So this is how you can create the drop shadow in the images as well. So again, it's all about the technique that you're using. It's not about the tools. So just try to be creative and come up with new ideas like this one. And this is how you can create the drop shadow in different styles.